So in this video, I will be showing you how to create PayPal account. Now this PayPal account, you are going to link your bank account to a foreign bank account, maybe GigPay or Grey.co. Any of these banks can be linked to this PayPal account. So whenever you have your money in there, you can withdraw to that account, send, then from that account you can withdraw to your local bank account. So the first thing you want to do from here is to open your Play Store if you're using Android phone, or Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. So when you get to iPhone, you need a VPN. Yes, you need a VPN. So this is 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐃𝐿. So I can install it also. So there are many VPN that you can use, and know that if you have opened an account before, just go ahead to use the phone number, new phone number, and make sure your VPN is always on whenever you want to log into your account. All right, make sure your VPN is always on whenever you want to log in to your account. Okay, I'm waiting for it. But if you live in a country that you have access to, you can open PayPal account without any issue. You don't need VPN then. But if you're in Africa, some part of Africa, Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, and the rest, you will need VPN for this particular PayPal that we want to create. So let's click on open. Then we're going to open it, and then click on, normally you need to have an account with Skype VPN, but I think I do have an account. And on this app, you can open an account. They will ask you to pay for the premium version. So just go to your browser and type on your Google search, type Windscribe, then open an account with the web version. After which you've opened an account with the web version, then you can download the app and log in your account here. So I'm going to put in my details and then log in. Click on continue. So from here, share, invite, just go back. So look for the country. So for me, I want to look for Romania. You can search by using the search bar right here, but since I've seen Romania already, I don't need to search again. This is Romania. All right, so let's click on it. So you can just click any part of Romania, click on it, click OK. So we are in Bucharest, Romania now. All right, so and the VPN is working. You can see that VPN is turned on already. So right now that we're using Romania, and you can see the IP address. So let's minimize this and then add on to our browser. Then let's search for my IP address. Search it on Google, then you're gonna see this, what is myipaddress.com. So click on it just to make sure that your VPN is working. All right, so you can see from the VPN, just discharge this one. From the VPN, you can see the current location I am in is in Romania, and this is my IP address. That's the location I'm currently in. You can see the city. This is the ISP. This is the city, Bucharest. This is the region, Bucharest, the country, Romania. So let's type Romania PayPal. All right, click on normal PayPal. Currently this is Romanian PayPal. How do you know that this is Romanian PayPal? You can see the logo, the flag of Romania, and from the URL you can see paypal.com/RO. that is for Romania. All right, since we are in Romanian paper, we need to just open an account. All right, so what you need to do is to click right here, click on sign up. You are going to see personal account and business account. So click on business account and click on the next thing that say get started. You proceed by giving your name, your last name. So I'm going to put in my name here. Make sure the name you're putting is the correct name you have on your GigPay account, because that's the account you are going to be linking. All right, or you have in your dollar bank account or your euro, pounds, whatever account. So I'm gonna put my name right here, then I'm gonna put my last name right here, a fake address. So how do we do that? We are going to go to another tab, then we search for, let's just search for random Romanian address. Random address. So you are going to see this best random tools. So click on it. Instead of 6, you put in 12. Click on generate for that. So all right, so from here you can see addresses and phone numbers. All right, addresses and phone number. So just copy one. So I'm going to look for, let's see the one we can copy, you know. And remember, we are in budget. Our VPN shows that we are in this place. So that's the address we're going to copy. We're going to copy this address. Remember, your VPN shows that you're in this place. All right, so this is the address we're going to use. So I'm going to copy all these details. I'm going to copy everything, maybe in your notepad, but for me I will paste it on WhatsApp. So I'm going to paste it, all the details that I copied here, and change this to Nigeria. Change this to Nigeria because of the call. Then put in your phone number, put in your email, so put in your password. So agree and agree again. Click on create. So right now it's going to say they want to test you, so or call you. Just click on test you. Make sure your phone number is correct so that you can receive the SMS. So 147830. Click continue. You're all set. So we're good. Activate your account to start using. So go, click on let's go. Which best describe your business? What type of business? Sole proprietorship. All right, sole proprietorship. Then you put in your date of birth, your country, the address you got from best random sites. I'm gonna go there right now. So sorry about this. So I'm going to copy the address. This is the address. Copy. Remove this one, which is the postal code. Let's remove this one. So go to this, click on it, postal code, put this. I think we're good. City. What's the city? So we're gonna copy this. This is city. So put the city right here. Put this here. So let's click next. All right. So the next thing, tell us about your business name. Just put your name there. Then account, let it be euro. Then what do you sell? So it's gonna be digital products. All right, so just type digital, right? So you're going to see digital goods, media, book, movie, and music. Click on it. What are your monthly sales? So monthly sales, let's click on the first one. So do you have a business website? Sorry about that. Do you have a business website? No, I do not have a business website. Use your resident address, then click on next. Congratulations, you are all set. Click on go to home dashboard. You can see that everything is working fine. No issue with the account. No single issue with the account. So right now is to confirm your email and then make sure you link your bank, which we're going to do right away. So we're going to go to my email. So I believe this confirmer. So now click on confirm email address. So put in your password, click on login. Then it's gonna tell you again that they're gonna send you SMS. Just click, don't worry, click on next. So the SMS is gonna come in now. So the SMS has come in. You can see 20 from here, 29, 65, 95. So click on continue. All right, then click continue. So to link our bank. So how do we do that? I want to link my bank, so I'm going to click on choose bank and wait for it. So I have two options, business and personal. So right now what I want to do is to just pick any of them. So then I'm going to paste my IBAN number right here. So I'm going to go to my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀. I'm going to go to 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐶 account. Once I get to my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐶 account, then I'm going to copy. So this is my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐶 account. You can see this. All right. So from here, just click on this three line. Then you're gonna see account. Click on account. All right. So if you are just opening your 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐶 account, you will not have an account. You won't have account number. So what you need to do is to create account number. If from here you can see this is I'm on the USD. You can see from my USD there is no account there. It says get your USD bank account. But what I want to link to this paper is EUR. So I'm gonna click on it. I've already clicked on that one, but if you don't have an account, just click on that get account. It's under a few minutes you're gonna get it. So right here I'm gonna copy this my number, right? So I'm going to copy it, go back to paper and paste it here. All right, so I'm gonna paste it there. So once I paste it there, once I paste it there, it's gonna show like this. So I'll click it again and remove that 0 and paste it back, so that it's going to show as if I typed that number. All right, once I do that, then I click agree and link. All right, click on agree and link and wait for it. So it says request deposit to confirm your bank account. So I need to request for a deposit. That means they're going to send a small amount of money into my account to confirm my account. So I'm going to say request deposit. So I will wait for it. All right, so right now I've requested for a deposit. All I need to do is to go to my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃 account and check the money they deposited into it. Then I'm going to write the money and come back and write it here. All right, but right now you can see, let's go to my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃 account. So from here, let's go to transactions. Let's see if we have anything of such. All right, it's transaction. Okay, not yet. You can see this is August. The last transaction here is August, 3rd of August 2023. So I'm going to keep refreshing and I can come back. What I'm going to do is to come back when I have the money in the account. All right, I'm gonna come back. So I waited for 2 days and now I've received the small charges in my account, in my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃 account. So let's do the finishing of linking the bank. So I'm gonna click on this straight line. So once I do that, I'm gonna click on pay and get paid. Then I'm gonna click on banks and cards. So once I have this, then I'm going to go scroll down. When I scroll down, then I'm going to see this. So I'm going to click on it. That's the bank. So once I click on it, it's going to ask me to confirm it, which is this. I'm going to click confirm bank. Confirm your bank. We send 2 small deposits less than €1 to your Clear Junction Limited check-in 7190 account. After the amount appears in your bank account activities, enter them below to confirm your own account. So I'm gonna go to my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃 right in. There's it. So I have it right here. You can see 0.01, 0.17, 0.01 and 0.17. That's the transaction I got in my 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃. So 0.01 and 0.17. Then after that, what I need to click on is to click on confirm. So I'm going to hit the confirm button. All right, then I'm going to wait for it. Now your Clear Junction Limited check-in 7190 has been confirmed. So I'll click on done. Then we're good to go. So I have linked my what's it called now, my bank to my paper account successfully. So right here I can change the nickname to my name. So I'm going to put Seun Digital right here. So let me just put Seun. So I'm gonna put Seun Digital. You can put anything as your nickname and you can leave it the way it is, right? So let's do that. Click on save. So I have put that as my nickname, so I'm good to go. So I can click on this button to leave this place. So successfully I have linked my bank to my PayPal. So thank you for watching this video. If you've gotten any value so far, kindly do click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And also you can like this video if you've gotten any value. So give this video a like. I will appreciate that. See you in my next video.